Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I just want to start by wishing you all a very happy new year. In today's video, as you guys can see in the title, I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful wig from Luvme Hair, and I'm also going to create a really pretty makeup look. So if you want to know everything about this hair and makeup, then keep watching. If you're new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys very soon. So guys, as you can all see, this is the packaging. The box is super cute. I absolutely love it. As always, the wig comes with a couple of things. I got a note from the founder, a really cute comb, some hair care instructions, and there was this bag full of goodies in it. First of all, they gave me this really cute scrunchie, y'all. Just take a look at that. Beautiful. And I also got some really cute lashes, you guys. I absolutely love lashes, so this is perfect. They also gave me a key ring, some hoop earrings, and some very cute festive nails that I tried on, but I decided to shorten them down because I can't deal with long nails, y'all. Now for the wig, guys. This is a 5x5 undetectable invisible lace glueless closure wig. It's actually real HT lace, for those of you wondering. And just check out those curls, guys. They added some really cute curls and it just looks amazing. I love it. What I like most about this wig is this strap that they added into the wig. This is so helpful, guys, especially if you have a smaller head. You can definitely adjust it. They made it so adjustable, guys. You can literally make the strap longer or smaller, you know, like your bra. And you've also got different places to hook the strap on. So this is cool. I love it. It's got 4 clips, guys, 2 on each side and 1 at the back of the wig and 1 in the middle of the wig. Again, you have so much options to make this wig secure, so it's not going to go anywhere, okay? And just check out the lace, y'all. I actually wanted to bleach it, but I realized that they've done that for me already, so I don't have to do anything. Look how natural this hairline looks. It's pre-plucked and it's bleached. What? So even though the wig has already been bleached and pre-plucked for me, I didn't want to do too much to it, but I wanted to just pluck it a little bit more, just to add that little natural feel, you know. And you guys can see, look at the difference. This is the laziest way of plucking, guys, so don't copy me, but I'm just letting you guys know, if you want to pluck your wig, you can use like a wig head or something to make it easier. If you guys want to see a plucking video, then please leave it in the comment box and I'll be more than happy to help you with that. So just before I stick the wig on, guys, I'm using my foundation to tint the lace a little bit more so it matches my skin tone even more. So now I'm going to go ahead and install this wig, guys. I already did a ball cap off camera. I just thought you guys know how it works already. It's super easy to do. If you guys want to see a video on the ball cap method, please hit me up and let me know. I can do a way better one for you guys. Don't look at what I've got here.
few moments later.
I just wanted to add that, guys, you don't have to use the ball cap method. You can use the glueless method. Again, if you guys want to see a video, let me know in the comment box. I got you. The lace was super thin and super easy to glue on. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see from here, the lace looks really thin. Again, it's HD, undetectable, invisible lace, which is very true. As you guys can see, it's very invisible. You can't even tell I've got a wig on. So while my wig is setting, I'm going to quickly do my makeup. As you guys can see, I'm doing a very simple soft glam or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but I'm just doing my makeup. Okay, if you guys want to see a tutorial, I've got some videos on how to do my makeup, but of course I can do like a newer one, like a 2022 makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see all of that, please, the comment box is there for you, so make sure you do suggest videos down there. Every product that I'm using will be in the description box, guys, so if you're curious, if you're wondering what is she using, make sure you go down there in the description and check it out. I will also leave every detail of the wig, the link, any codes that I have to get yourself some money off. I will leave all of that in the description box, guys, so please don't ignore that box. Make sure you check it out.
Yeah, we're finally. That's the cause. Yeah, baby say she there for me. Baby, show me how to live without you, girl. Cause when you're not there, I cannot live without you. Yeah, and there's one thing I can't believe, girl. No matter where you're there, I won't run back to you. Cause that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me, that's it, you ginger me, I said that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me, that's it, you ginger me, Yeah, I'm falling, you be the reason I know the feel. Think you a girl at the craze. Die for your love, any man who could try me won't find a cool, I swear on my grave. Come on baby girl, make a hold ya. Be a bodyguard, be a soldier. Fly in the sky, shop what you want. Me and you go pool in the rover. When you man na me tiada, but them boys na me piadro. Coming home na me near her. Other home your man na matwato. Make sure your touches can't give massage. They say I be player, this no go last. The life on my top when they paint me black. Banding in the chin, shorty come about. Cause that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me. That's it, you ginger me. I said that's it, you ginger me. Ginger me, that's it, you ginger me.
say that to the do, you the ginger me. Ginger me. That to the do, you the ginger me.
I post you for stories, I post you for stats. Post you for TikTok, the boys then they crash. Rising me confused with you at the brag. I swear I know with you, the love of my life. You the boss of my brain, can't get hotter than cake, like the way wine you always, nobody fix your place, never see your typo, nah. The baby they connect you like Wi-Fi. Plan for your man, bend for your man. We'll be same again, no boy yanka. Mami 360 back then front. Even if I sati, I say one more. Can't have enough of you, girl, I'm in love. I will give you my heart, golden bronze.
Cause that to the do, you the ginger me. Ginger me. That to the do, you the ginger me. I say that to the do, you the ginger me. Ginger me. That to the do, you the ginger me. Cause that to the do, you the ginger me. Ginger me. That to the do, you the ginger me. I say that to the do, you the ginger me. Ginger me. That to the do, you the ginger me.
And these are the final results, guys. The hair is popping, the makeup is popping, everything is looking good. I'm very happy with the wig, guys. It's so beautiful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box, please. It means a lot. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was a nice video. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, give it a thumbs up. It lets more people discover this video just like you. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And just stay tuned, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.